the following are the source of criminal law, except. Okay? The following are the source of criminal law, except. Letter A, special penal laws. Letter B, revised penal code. Letter C, Constitution. So, ayun. Nandito tayo ngayon sa ating random criminology quiz, which is kasama natin yung ating mga future criminologists. At syempre, magtatanong pa din tayo ng mga related topics sa criminology. May dalawang katanungan tayo dito. Linagyan natin ng pagpipilian para hindi ma-pressure yung ating mga future criminologists. May kunting prize sila, but then the essence of the video is para makatulong tayo sa ating mga followers as well as na-refresh yung mga knowledge nyo, tol. Okay ba tayo dyan? Pero bago yan, pakilala mo na.
I'm Ryan, sir.
I'm Dad po yan, sir.
Okay, so yun. Ang unang tanong natin dito is ganito. One of the characteristics of criminal law, okay, articulated that the law has no retroactivity, means the law should not be applied backward except if it is favorable to the accused. This pertains to what? Ulitin ko yung tanong. One of the characteristics of criminal law, articulated that the law has no retroactivity, means the law should not be applied backward except if it is favorable to the accused. This pertains to what? Letter A, prospectivity. Letter B, generality. Letter C, territoriality.
Prospectivity, sir.
Letter A, sir. Prospectivity.
Okay, that is correct. The correct answer is prospectivity, no? Tandaan lang natin, lex prospicit, non res spicit. The law looks forward, not backward. So, ibig sabihin, yung batas po na ginawa ngayon ay pwede lamang gamitin bukas at susunod na araw, hindi pwedeng kahapon. But may exemptions po tayo na kung saan kahit yung bagong batas na ginawa, kung ito ay pabor sa akusado, pwede natin gamitin pa atras. Pero, kahit pabor pa man sa akusado yung bagong batas, kung ang nasabing akusado, kung siya naman ay habitual delinquent, according to Article 22, ay hindi po pwedeng i-apply para sa kanya. So, dahil dyan, tol, meron kayong 20 pesos na, may utang na ako sa inyo. Okay, the correct answer is prospectivity natin. Kasi yung generality, it is about, binding to all person or sojourn in the Philippines. Ang tinutukoy dito, mga tao na nakapag-commit ng krimen na sa loob ng Pilipinas, batas ng Pilipinas ang impose. Pag territoriality naman, lugar naman yung tinutukoy dito. Basta lugar na sakop ng Pilipinas at may nangyaring krimen, batas ng Pilipinas ang susundin. Siyempre, may mga exemptions din yan. At siyempre, pag-usapan na natin sa ibang topic yan, ha? Ang generality, may exemption. Ang territoriality, may exemption din yan. As well as itong prospectivity, may exemptions din yan. Okay? So, yung mga ibang exemptions yan, na-discuss ko na yan sa ating mga previous word of the day. Hanapin nyo na lang para masundan nyo. Okay, yun. So, pangalawang tanong tayo, tol. Ito. Sa pangalawang tanong natin, the following are the source of criminal law, except. Okay? The following are the source of criminal law, except. Letter A, special penal laws. Letter B, revised penal code. Letter C, Constitution.
Constitution, sir. C.
C, sir. Constitution.
Okay, that is also correct. Constitution. Tandaan po natin, no? Pag sinabi kasi natin criminal law, it is the branch of substantive law which define crimes, treat of the nature, and provide punishment. So, ibig sabihin, kapag tinatanong po tayo, source of criminal law, to make it short, lahat po ng batas na mayroong penalty ay source ng criminal law. Sapagkat sinabi po doon, provide punishment. Paano po magiging source ng criminal law ang isang batas kung wala naman siyang penalty? It cannot give punishment po. So, the correct answer po natin is Constitution. Sapagkat ang special penal laws, may penalty in nature po yan. Ang revised penal code, nag-provide din po siya ng penalty tsaka punishment. But din yung ating Constitution po kasi is hindi, for more on provision po yung ating Constitution. So, dahil dyan, tol, meron kang 50 pesos. Yun, nandun ng San Wilcrim ng Bayan. So, thank you so much sa iyo. And syempre, shoutout muna tayo. Shoutout.
Shoutout sa CBRC Danau.
Shoutout si Bryce Danao.
Kaya syempre, shoutout sa ating poging videographer. Walang iba, Dora Lex Sedlex. Okay, thank you so much, tol. Thank you. Yun.